when it comes to selecting an email protection solution, what should our attendees look for? What are the things that they need to look for in making that choice?
The main point to see here is that the solution integrates natively with the platforms, G Suite or Office 365, so through APIs, because it's the only way that we can have a complete visibility what is happening. One of the examples that mentioned Stephanie, just to check internal emails is really important today, because most of the business email compromise use those emails or those accounts to send attacks internally and steal information or steal money. And the other thing is important to check that the security solution not just inspect email, inspect the collaboration tools. Because as I mentioned, Teams, we can share any type of information, documents, links, so we can infect any user through this tool. So it's really important to expand the protection, not just for email, also for these kind of collaboration tools.
Yeah, and I think data loss prevention is something that, with Jamaica passing its Data Protection Act in December of 2021, just a few months ago, then, data loss prevention is a big thing. And you don't want your users or your systems to be sending out mail that has confidential information that should not be sending to external users. So DLP is definitely a very important thing to look for, as well as the ability to detect 0-day. Very important. Yes.
I would add an extra layer on that. And it's like, we can have the best tools, but it's going to be also in the point to how easy it is to use those tools. When we talk about administration, like how simple for me is to get a report, how simple for me is that if my manager is saying, we have another company from the government or in the financial sector that have been hit by ransomware, it brings the alerts to everyone. Then we have to check how we are in our environment. I need to send this to a board of directors. I need to send this to my CTO. So how easy for me is to understand where is my time and my effort, because at the end of the day, we were discussing about human resources and how to accelerate that with machine learning, because we have limited time, limited operational resources, and we need to address the more important first. And that's what the tool will give you. It gives you the visibility and the simple administration that you have to know where you need the effort to become more closely. And this is something that most of our customers, if you go to our customer success stories, if you go to see some of the videos of our customers talking from Checkpoint, they will tell you the operational time was reduced because it was simple to administrate it. So that's one part that I think is very important, that is not only related to the technology, but how easy it is for my team to manage this. Because my team is not only managing it, it's managing a lot of stuff in my environment, and I need them to be very focused on prioritizing the needs.
Sometimes we forget about administration, and if you have a system that provides or has what we call alert fatigue, then definitely it's a system that you're going to either ignore or turn off, and you don't want the security to be burdensome.